Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is O'Neal Catnell. I'm out of Jacksonville, Florida, and I'm here to present to you a wonderful opportunity, the most significant cause-driven opportunity of 2018. So you definitely want to thank the person that thought well enough of you to invite you to hear this wonderful information that will transform your life this year and down the road. So I want to thank you for being on the call. We're going to get started. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go over a couple of things, key points, bullet points, that will convey the enormity of this wonderful opportunity that we have here. And we call them convergent factors. We're going to talk about the trends in our society and around the world and what those trends are driving and how the timing of it affects that. And, you know, what we have as a solution to some of the causes, okay, that the trends have conveyed. And, you know, once we share our products and services with you and the strength and the rock solidness of our company that provides this opportunity, you know, you will see, you know, so our products, our company, and then our compensation plan, you know, how we treat our people well and reward them fairly, you will agree that this is the best opportunity for the common day person in 2018. So let's get this presentation started, the trends. Let's talk about the first convergent factor. You know, right now there's a great trend going through called the wellness industry. The wellness industry is, you know, a $1 trillion plus industry. And 20 years ago, it was heralded as such. It was predicted by a gentleman by the name of Mr. Paul Zen Pilzer when he wrote his book, The Wellness Revolution, stating that people, as they grow and as they age, they want to still maintain a high quality of life, free from pain and the aches of aging, and also looking for healthier solutions and a lot more holistic, you know, solutions to their health needs and demands. And currently, ladies and gentlemen, you know, that book was written in the late 90s. And currently, the wellness industry is a $3.4 trillion industry and continues to grow. What if you could position yourself where you could be a part of that industry and also capture a market share and some of the revenue from that established industry? You know, would you be in a different place? That's why you're here. That's why you need to thank the person that put you on the phone to hear about this wonderful opportunity. See, wellness is not going to stop. Think about this. More and more people, as you go to the grocery stores and, you know, as you go around, more and more people are reading labels. More and more people are educated about ingredients. More and more people, you have so many selective diets. People are going on even traveling retreats, you know, to reset themselves holistically and organically because health is a primary factor in their life. Think about that. So, you know, there is a demand for that, ladies and gentlemen, and the trend is not going to stop. It is heralded to grow continuously. In fact, you know, a part of this wellness is, you know, most of us need to supplement, you know, incorporate holistic organic solutions to our diet and to our daily routine. You see, according to the Journal of American Medical Association, it stated in 2002 that it appears prudent for all adults to take vitamin supplements. Supplementation is a part of your life. And ladies and gentlemen, without that, it leads to other breakdowns in health and causes other, you know, issues unnecessarily. You know, so the timing could never be could never be better, okay, to be a part of this wonderful industry called the wellness industry. Because according to the Centers for Disease Control, the National Institute of Health, the top 10 leading causes of death around the world are classified. You know, 8 out of the 10 are classified as lifestyle diseases. For example, the number 1 leading cause of death around the world is cardiovascular disease or heart disease, okay, claiming the lives of over 600,000 people. The second leading cause is cancer. Okay, the third leading cause of death in North America, ladies and gentlemen, is prescribed medication. Over 250,000 people die every year because of this complication. And it just continues to go on there, such as strokes and Alzheimer's and accidents, diabetes, and so forth. You know, the question to ask is, how many of us on the phone, who do you know, okay, that have these diseases? Chances are everyone that's on this phone knows someone that is ill or have one of these, you know, top 10 leading causes of death diseases. And what if you can offer them a solution to transform their health and provide a holistic benefit to that? Do you think that would create an opportunity? Because the demand is there. This is not going away. Thousands of people are in need of a holistic solution. And we are going to share with you an offering that can address the top 10 leading causes of death around the world and put you in a position where you can, earn an economic windfall from it based on your own effort and commitment and dedication. Think about that. That's powerful. Okay? Not only that, ladies and gentlemen, leading cause of death, but also another occurrence going on in our society is that more and more people are looking for an alternate stream of income because no longer are we living in the days where a single income can support an entire household. Many households now are supported by multiple income streams, 2 or 3 incomes. I think Richard Kiyosaki states it best in his quote. He says, the richest people in the world look for and build networks of distribution, while everyone else look for work. Work, is a part-time solution, to your permanent issue, which is residual lifetime income, ladies and gentlemen. And we can offer you an opportunity where you can drive that for yourself. But not only that, by addressing the leading causes of death around the world, it is the most significant thing that's happening where you can now be a messenger of hope for people, providing health benefits. For example, let's talk about our products that provides these solutions. For example, our flagship product, the ProArgi-9 L-arginine complexer. This product is based on Nobel Prize medical winning science, ladies and gentlemen. You see, the Nobel Prize have been awarded to some of the most significant health breakthroughs and discovery in modern history, such as the X-ray in 1901 or the discovery of insulin in 1923 or, penicillin in 1945. Saved millions of lives. In 1998, 2 scientists were awarded the Nobel Prize for the discovery of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is heralded as the miracle molecule for your body. You see, they simply found out that a simple amino acid called L-arginine was responsible for your body's production of nitric oxide. And our ProArgi-9 L-arginine complexer is clinically proven to improve blood flow, keep blood pressure and blood sugar at healthy levels, combats against cardiovascular aging, increases nitric oxide levels in your body to support vital body organs and systems. You see, this product was clinically tested at the Cardiac Institute in Victorville, California, the High Desert Cardiac Institute in Victorville, California, on congestive heart failure patients, where they put them on a 90-day protocol of our ProArgi-9 Plus. 2 packets in the morning and 2 packets in the evening was the clinical dosage. And the findings from this clinical studies led this product to be featured in the physician's desk reference as the highest quality L-arginine supplement in the world. You see, for the past 7 years, it has been featured in this book, which is fantastic, ladies and gentlemen. Documentation beats conversation all day long. The proof, they say, is in the pudding. But we have tremendous testimonials of people receiving tremendous benefits, from this product. And I want to share, have some people come up on this line and share their wonderful testimonial of what they've noticed since they've benefited from these products that we're going to share with you, ladies and gentlemen. The first person I want to share with you is a gentleman out of Reno, Nevada. And his name is Mr. Roscoe Hankins. Mr. Hankins, are you on the phone? Could you share your brief testimonial of your benefit of these products with the people that's on the call tonight?
Certainly, Mr. Cardinal. If you can hear me, my name is Roscoe Hankins. I'm out of Reno, Nevada. I am a senior citizen, well over 70, and I have a number of major and minor issues, not the least of which is an aneurysm, a heart aneurysm, high blood pressure. I've had cholesterol, stress, gout, back pain, Agent Orange poisoning, and about 14 different types of ailments at least. And I take a number of pills, or have been given a number of pills to counteract those issues, which don't deal with the problem, actually deal with the symptoms rather than the curing the issue. But the bottom line here is, I go to see my doctor periodically, and in San Francisco, and he had me retake a couple of tests the last time I checked with him, because he kind of was puzzled about the results. And after the second time he had me take the test, he asked me what I was doing differently from the last time I had talked with him about this my aneurysm. And he insisted and told me that aneurysms do not shrink, they don't go away. They at a certain point they have to be operative, and that is usually an emergency operation with all the other issues that I had. Well, he was puzzled because he told me and insisted that aneurysms do not shrink. However, my aneurysm, which is a heart aneurysm, had shrunk, and he wanted to know what I was doing differently from the last time. And I explained to him, well, there's two things I'm doing differently and increasing, and that's one is prayer, and the other is Pro RG9 from Synergy Worldwide. Well, he wanted to know what this Synergy Worldwide business was all about, because he kind of halfway just started the prayer, but the bottom line is he was puzzled, and I explained to him it had the highest level of nitric oxide, and it was in his death reference, which he was surprised to hear. At any rate, since I've been taking the Pro RG9, and I've added a couple of other products from Synergy. However, the Pro RG9 has eliminated and had my aneurysm shrink. It's alleviated my high blood pressure, my cholesterol, my gout, my back pain. I'm not being bothered by the Agent Orange poisoning. And he said to me that that's not possible. But I said, well, since you've given me some of the medication, and you well know that the medication you've given me in the pill form, and some of these medications in pill form, my pills have pills. Well, the bottom line here is he wants to keep seeing me, and every time I see him, he wants to know more about Synergy and Synergy Worldwide and the Pro RG9 product, because it's a miracle to him. So the bottom line is, if you take your RG9, I challenge everybody to think about it and grow rich. These things are facts, and facts beat fiction all day long. So I'd just like to hand it back to you, Mr. O'Neill, now, and thank you for the time. But join us and get on the train, because it's leaving the station, and you have to be with it or you'll be chasing it. Talk to you soon. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Roscoe, for your wonderful testimonial. Ladies and gentlemen, you're hearing it from someone. You hear his passion, how, he's benefiting, and that's what this is all about, okay? Now, the next product I want to share with you is a fantastic product, because that's our flagship product, but we also have a product that addresses your microbiome. Your microbiome is your gut health. It's a complex ecosystem of microbes that live inside your gut, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Now, a healthy gut is a healthy microbiome. And what scientists are finding out that your gut, is so important to your health. Okay? They're saying that it's your second brain. 90% of all diseases begin in your gut. With more than 1,000 species of these microbes living in your intestines, they're finding out through research and studies that it dramatically affects brain health, nerves, overall immunity, food metabolism, weight, and various organ functions and more, ladies and gentlemen. So we have the first product system of its kind to market, okay, that is clinically proven to establish a healthy microbiome. And that is through our Purify Kit, our Fortify Kit, and our Protect Kit, ladies and gentlemen. And all of these are designed to help you reset your microbiome. We also offer our weight management system, our Slim Smart, that is specifically for weight management, if you're having a hard time to control that and so forth. Okay, this product was clinically tested at Harvard University for 12 years before it was released to the public. Then we also have our fitness line for athletic and active people, whether you're professional or you are amateur, and it's approved by the World Anti-Doping Association. but it gives you a healthy lift of energy. We are hearing wonderful testimonials of it, but also post-workout support, alleviating muscle fatigue and soreness and so forth. So these products are fantastic, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, we also have our core nutrition line, products that are there for your whole, overall needs of core nutrition, such as our antioxidant elixir Mystica, which tested at the highest aura capacity score at Brunswick Laboratories, or our core greens essentials, and our bodyguard and our liquid chlorophyll, and all your core nutritional needs we offer, ladies and gentlemen. You can go to our website at www.synergyworldwide.com, www.synergyworldwide.com for more information on our products, and you can also check out our research information. But we also offer a personal care line to address the largest organ on our body, which is our skin, ladies and gentlemen. Your skin, which is most abused. And, you have to pay attention to what you put on your skin, because it does absorb toxins and so forth. It is your first and foremost barrier and defense against, the wills of the world out there. So treat your skin right. Our system is clinically proven to purify, fortify, and protect your skin. Simply be told, our brand of products are trusted by professionals, families, and athletes and leaders from around the globe, ladies and gentlemen. And you heard Mr. Hankins' testimonial, but I'm going to share with you another individual testimonial out of Chicago, Missoula. Ladies and gentlemen, it is one thing to see the documentation. And as he says, facts always beat fiction. But when you hear someone's story and their passion of how their life has changed and the health benefits that they receive, nothing speaks louder than that. So, Ms. Eula, are you on the call out of Chicago? Please hit *6 to unmute yourself. I think I hear you. Are you there? Ms. Eula? Going once? All right. Ladies and gentlemen, let's continue on. We'll hear her testimonial, which is compelling, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm here.
I don't know.
Are you
okay,
there?
You're there?
Yes, I'm here. Are you hearing me?
Okay, great. I can hear you loud and clear. Please take the floor and share your compelling testimonial that you shared with me today with the people on the call.
Okay. I have been suffering from kidney stone attacks for the last 10 years. Last January, I had the most severe, took me to death's door. Had 3 surgeries actually, and at one point I had as many as 16 kidney stones. Last month I went to a kidney specialist at the University of Chicago, where he diagnosed that I'm suffering from acute malnutrition, acute dietary insufficiency, disturbed calcium-magnesium balance, malabsorption disorders, and all caused from a medication I've been taking for my high blood pressure. He has taken me off of the medication. I started on the products from Synergy, Biome Active, Bodyguard, Essential Greens, Vitazone, Proagenine. I started last week, and since January, I have not had a decent meal until yesterday. For the first time, I've had an appetite. I've lost over 25 pounds since January. I haven't been able to keep down much in my stomach, and with pain joints, a lot of pain joints, especially my shoulders. I can't lift my arms above my shoulder. I can now lift them over my head. So I can't wait to go back to the doctor for a second set of tests, because this particular medication was pulling out all the nutrients out of my body. I have no calcium, no potassium, no creatinine. I mean, I'm totally dehydrated, and he said no matter how much water or whatever liquid I drank, I would still be dehydrated. My skin, you could scale me like a fish. My nails are ridged, and now I'm seeing the ridging disappearing. My legs are not as scaly anymore, and this is only a week and a half of being on these supplements. And thank God when I found them. because I was literally heading to my death with what this medication was pulling out of me. So, and as a result of it, all the bones in my body have deteriorated, including my teeth, my gum lines, everything receding. And we've been trying to find out the reason for these attacks every year, and no doctor could pinpoint it until I went last month to this specialist at the University of Chicago, and having heard this and contacted Genevieve and O'Neill at Synergy and start taking these supplements, that I've seen a total turnaround, total difference. When I pass my urine, I look in the toilet, it's like water. I didn't even know there was urine in there. There's no yellow at all. Clean, clean, clean. And I know that that's the way it is supposed to be. So I just hope that we can get, people understanding that medications are not all good. I would say most of them are not. And there is truth to the products, natural products, when they're properly put together. So thank you very much, Genevieve and Anil.
Thank you so much, Eula, for sharing your wonderful testimonial. Ladies and gentlemen, you heard it. We're on a mission. It is the most significant cause-driven opportunity. That's the cause, ladies and gentlemen, that we can alleviate. We got to share the word with others out there. See, our products, ladies and gentlemen, is targeted and specifically designed to help you, achieve your elite health, unlock your full potential. And you heard her compelling testimony. You heard Mr. Roscoe. Fantastic. Because health, elite health begins by targeting health at its core. And our company is dedicated in providing the highest quality. All of our products are pharmaceutical grade nutraceutical products. That's why they have the potency, the efficacy, and the consistency that they offer. Our company, Synergy Worldwide, was founded in 1999 by Mr. Dan Higginson out of Pleasant Grove, Utah, ladies and gentlemen. But they began operations in Tokyo, Japan, because there was a greater demand for holistic health solutions there. And they grew significantly. You see, they expanded into Australia, all of Asia, and all of Europe for the past 17 years. It's an established company with a track record of proven products and dramatic success because they're built around scientific discovery with our own scientific advisory board. We have our own Hughes Center for Research and Innovation with over 35 doctors, biochemists, and researchers full-time on staff for the past 15 plus years that conduct microbiome research, product formulation, clinical studies, ingredient testing, scientific validation, ladies and gentlemen. Clinical studies on our formulation, human clinical studies. We do not guess. We test and verify and validate it on human beings to make sure our products are providing a health solution and benefit to you, ladies and gentlemen. That's what responsible, production is all about. And that's why we're leading in innovation. We offer the highest level of quality assurance. You see, all of our products are sourced and ingredients are sourced and audited from around the globe organically. And we conduct more than 600 quality tests on every raw ingredients, every finished batch of product, ladies and gentlemen. But we do not stop there. To ensure that we provide the highest quality and the highest level and standard and efficacy of products, we manufacture our products ourselves in our own in-house manufacturing facility with rigorous quality control methods. We're National Sanitation Foundation certified facility, Therapeutical Goods Administration of Australia certified facility, a OTC3 compliant facility, meaning we can actually, produce pharmaceutical drugs. But we are focused on nutritional, organic, holistic nutraceutical products with strict operational adherence to good manufacturing processes, ladies and gentlemen. We offer a 120-day money-back guarantee on every one of our products. Initial offers, ladies and gentlemen, which is fantastic and unheard of. We give you 4 months not to like it. Now, our foundation of strength comes from our parent company. In the year 2000, we were acquired by Nature's Sunshine, our parent company, an industry giant, the preeminent herbal supplement manufacturing company. Established in 1972, we were publicly traded under NASDAQ under the symbol NATR, the first company in the world to encapsulate herbs, ladies and gentlemen, with over $100 million in liquid cash and assets to expand into the North American market. Because we have presence in 28 other countries. But the opportunity is here in the United States because we now have a great demand for what we have to offer, holistic organic solutions to provide health benefits, ladies and gentlemen, in the largest market for it. And that's where the opportunity for you and each and every one that's on this phone is, because there's significant market share to be had, and positioning yourself to be a messenger with our legacy movement, ladies and gentlemen, provides you an opportunity where you can have money as an issue no longer in your life. And this is how it works, okay? But before I even get into that further, our company has been featured by Forbes magazine in the top 100 most trustworthy companies list. And we take great pride in that, ladies and gentlemen, because Forbes magazine is one of the most highly respected media publications out there, okay? And for them to recognize us and the stability and the strength of our company and the force that we have and the success and the stability, okay, we take great pride in that because we're the only direct selling company to be featured on that list ever. Okay, so we are just ecstatic about that. Documentation, the proof. We are going nowhere. We are built to last. This company will be around long after you and I are gone. And that's the kind of opportunity you want to position yourself with. But also, we compensate everyone. We create an opportunity where you can generate a full-time income, ladies and gentlemen, based on your work ethic, commitment, and dedication. Okay, you simply have to be coachable and willing to learn the system, and it will provide for you a solution, an economic solution. You see, our founder has been noted in saying, effective and proven product systems are the gateway to a rewarding business and a compensation plan. They both go together. Because of the strength of our products, it creates a wonderful opportunity, but also we have a compensation plan that is highly rewarding, ladies and gentlemen, because without that, we wouldn't have the most valuable assets in the company, yourself. We call it the messengers. See, it's not the patents, it's not the research, it's not the facilities that we've invested in. It's you who is the greatest asset, because without you going out there and sharing these products and experiencing them with other people, we wouldn't have a business. And that's why we treat our people fairly and compensate them well through our dual linear mega match compensation plan that provides 7 streams of income, ladies and gentlemen. 7 streams. We have weekly payouts through fast start bonuses. We have a team basic commission that pays off of as you build a network of team members and messengers out there, and it's paid out monthly on a volume of business. We also have an elite rebate that's paid out on your customers, 25%. With 40 customers, ladies and gentlemen, you can generate, $1,500 in income, which is fantastic, just off of customers. But it doesn't stop there. We also offer global revenue sharing, a leadership bonus, and a mega match bonus. The mega match bonus is the most powerful component of Synergy's compensation plan. It's creating a lot of excitement and putting people like you and myself in a position where we truly can win and generate a good income for ourselves, ladies and gentlemen, and this is how it works. Okay, we build 2 teams here, one on your right, one on your left. Okay, the mega match is paid out like this. For every new member that you enroll into Synergy that builds the business and builds a volume of business and earn a basic team commission, okay, you are entitled to 100% match of that income, which is fantastic. Unlimited amount of people, okay, you can earn from, okay, and it doesn't matter where they're positioned, either on the right or the left, or if they're all on the right, doesn't matter. It pays it out. And pays out very, very well, ladies and gentlemen. So it gives you the opportunity to earn an income on your entire organization. But it doesn't stop there, okay? If you only enrolled one individual into Synergy Worldwide and that individual builds, the business and earns commissions, okay, then the company still matches those commissions up to $60,000 a year with you for that one line of business, which is unheard of. Or if you choose to build it on just one line on the right side or even on the left, you still get that matching income, which is unheard of in this industry. Giving you the opportunity to really design your own income, ladies and gentlemen. It's like having your own 401k based on your work ethic, commitment, and dedication. For example, we share. Let's say you want to make an additional $1,000 every month. Simply find 5 people that you know, love, and care about, to help them earn income, ladies and gentlemen, and help them earn an extra $200 every month. Through the matching of the mega match, that's $1,000 to you. But if you continue to support them, love on them, and help them develop their business, okay, to where they're earning $2,000 a month, that's $10,000 in income to you. And it continue growing. Let's say those businesses grow up to $20,000 a month. That's over $100,000 in income to you, ladies and gentlemen. You see, this compensation plan has not changed since its inception in 1999. It has created the most seven-figure income earners per capita than any other company in its category. Documentation, beats conversation all day long, okay, which is fantastic. But the opportunity to create a significant business here in North America is, wide open for you. This is the only call of its kind going on right now in North America. That's where you are. You are at the ground floor of an established company that is looking to capture the significant market share and build a billion-dollar brand in the United States and get compensated well through our dual linear compensation plan that pays out 55% to the field, which is fantastic. But it doesn't stop there. There's also other components that's added in top of the compensation plan to pay out even more money, such as our Elite Honors option, where if you do an extra 600 CV in commissionable volume, you're positioned and you're Elite Honors qualified, ladies and gentlemen, and you continue to do that throughout a year. You earn free product, credit for free product, but also if you help two people, team members, in your organization to do the same thing, that's an extra $200 bonus on top of what you're currently earning in the compensation plan every month. But also you have established a significant customer-driven business, which pays out a residual income consistently, and that's what it's designed to do. We also have our Title Plus option where as you progress through the different ranks in the company from star all the way to pearl, ladies and gentlemen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 positions, pays out over $33,000 in added bonuses on, in addition to the compensation that you earn from the traditional comp plan, ladies and gentlemen, for going through the ranks. That's as a thank you for building the Synergy Worldwide business. What's so compelling about this bonus is that it's paid out cumulatively. So as you go up through the ranks, and let's say you skip over some other ranks, you progress past some, because of the high volume of activity, they still compensate you for all of the pin titles that you have achieved that progress through that line, which is fantastic, ladies and gentlemen, and they pay it out over a 4-month period, which is unheard of. Okay, so get back to the person that thought well enough of you to transform your economic future by inviting you to this call and see this wonderful opportunity. Opportunities are not missed. It's just simply passed on to the person who's prepared to take advantage of an opportunity. And this is quite the opportunity. Okay, we also have Synergy Rewards, incentive vacations, destination events, and luxury retreats. See, as you progress through the ranks, like, for example, team leader, you now are entitled to a free vacation, a cruise. You and someone that you know, love, and care about, or a significant other, ladies and gentlemen, paid for by Synergy Worldwide. And then, that's simply having 6,000 in commissionable volume in your business on your right and your left, okay? And you are now qualified for a cruise. You're earning money, and also you're getting free vacations. And then up to team manager, where they send you, to the corporate office for a tour and take you to Las Vegas on a trip and so forth. And then our luxury retreats, where you're gone for an entire week, ladies and gentlemen, paid for by the company, and they also pay you spending money, which is fantastic. We give back to children around the world, okay? Through our Legacy Foundation, which is a fantastic outreach program. But there's 2 ways you can get started, okay? They have a basic enrollment option and an elite option. The question is always asked, what's the difference between the two? Do you want to build a big business or a little business, okay? That's the difference between the two. Get back to the person that put you on the phone and let them know you want to choose the package, and they'll go through it with you, okay, to get started. But the most important thing is get started, because limitations have stolen your time for too long. Now it's time to regain your time and earn what your time is truly worth, ladies and gentlemen, because no time is better than your time right now, doing the things that you want to do with the people that you love doing things with, your loved ones and so forth, okay, and experience the life that you truly want. The Synergy train has left the station, ladies and gentlemen. It just passed through your neighborhood. You heard it go by. You can either wake up and jump on board and have it lead you to your goals and dreams and your destiny, or you can watch it go by and said, I woulda, coulda, or shoulda. But that's not what this is about, because here at Synergy Worldwide, once you become a member, we teach you to live, love, learn, grow, and develop, so you can meet our slogan, which is to leave a legacy. Oftentimes, the people who are often remembered throughout history are the people who left something behind. What are you looking to leave behind? What legacy are you looking to achieve in life? Let us help you do that and also help you, get money as an issue out the way. Be a part of this legacy movement, ladies and gentlemen, where we teach you within your first 30 days to earn your own first commission check, and also help you grow and develop and learn leadership skills and so forth, how to build a stable business significantly so you can leave a legacy to your loved ones and so forth. If you're that person, welcome to the legacy movement. And then your health is your greatest asset. Get on these products. Okay? It doesn't matter how much money you earn. It doesn't matter how much money you have. If you have a serious health challenge, you're going to have a hard time, experiencing and appreciating the wealth that you've generated. So, get on our products, ladies and gentlemen, and feel those health benefits and be a part of this wonderful legacy movement. So I want to thank you for being on the call. My name is O'Neil Catnell. This concludes the call. And welcome to the legacy movement and Synergy Worldwide. Good night, everyone.